Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check Access Bank account number on your phone. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do before we start this tutorial is to launch your Access Bank account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find the Access Bank app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. Now, after downloading the application successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page where you're going to be requested to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to sign in by creating an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to check Access Bank account number using your phone. Now, the first thing you like to do is to use your Access Bank unique code, which is *901#. Now, one of the easiest ways to check your Access Bank account number is by using the USSD code, which you can use with your phone, not the bank app. And to do this, you can follow the steps below. 1. Dial *901, that's *901# on your mobile phone. So once you do that, select the option which says all the devices, and after doing that, select the option that says inquiry the services, and then select the option that says ACNO inquiry, and the next thing is to enter your PIN, which is your 4-digit unique PIN, and your Access Bank account number will be displayed on your screen. Now let's go over that again. Pick up your phone and head over to your dialing pad. Now go ahead and type in that is *901# on your mobile phone. Then select the option which says order services. And after doing that, select the option that says inquiry services. Then select the option that says ACNO inquiry. Then enter your unique 4-digit PIN and your Access Bank account number will be displayed on your screen. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.